Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll take a tour of the apps located in the left side app bar, also known as the drop-down menu. Let's dive in and explore the toolbar together. The following apps appear in your system by default. To access the left side app bar, click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. First off, we have the Command Center and the CRM automated dashboard where all our pipelines are contained. Then we have the Sales app where our products and product variants live. We can also access quotation templates here. Next is our calendar where we schedule our meetings. We have the Contacts app containing all our contacts. Next is the Discuss app that contains all our chatter history. In terms of finances and stock management, we have a Purchase app where we manage vendors. Also an inventory and an invoicing app. For web services, we have an email marketing and a website app to collect data from your website. To manage employees, we have an employee app and the Timesheets app to track hours. The most powerful tool we have is the Settings app where you create the users of the system and customize your system internally. The Manufacturing app is where all the bills of materials / assemblies live. We have a Projects app which is pretty self-explanatory. Finally, we have the Apps app where all the apps are contained and you shouldn't change anything here without consulting with us first. Thank you very much.